Hey guys, quick video how you're gonna connect MSI monitor to your laptop. It's super simple. So on your monitor, from the bottom you're gonna have the cable, the HDMI cable. Then you're gonna put the HDMI cable inside to the monitor of the HDMI, and then on your laptop you're gonna have laptop HDMI port where you're gonna insert it. That's it. So you're gonna have the cable that you're gonna insert to your HDMI monitor on your MSI, and then that you're gonna connect with the how it's called, with the laptop. So hope this video helped you what it needs to do and how it needs to be done. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.